Hello friends, my name is Shamad Hamdard and you are seeing my channel SH Scholarship. So guys, in today's video I will show you my room. I will give you my room tour, and before videos when I upload this, so some of our friends just wishes that you have to show your room and your dormitory. So I will try in another video, I will try to show all my dormitory places. And today's video, this is just for I will show my room, that what we have in our room, which facilities they provide for us, and when you pass Turkish scholarship, so which kind of room you will have, and which things they will provide for you, Turkish scholarships team. So today's video is more informational, and you will get information that which things and which facilities we have there, and how we are living there. So for that, keep watching this video, and if you are new on my channel, so subscribe my channel, because I will give you these kind of information videos about scholarships and things that are related to scholarships. So not wasting the time, just starting the video, so let's start it. So friends, we will start from the beds. In every room there are three beds and three students are living there. So now you are seeing that our my room is like free now because of lockdown and these things. Now the schools and universities are locked. Therefore, the Turkish students they went to their homes, and now in every room just one student is living. So basically, every room there in this dormitory there are three beds and three students are living. So now we will come there, and related to every bed there is one this small cabinet, and there is switch also you are seeing. So you can use you can use your charge your computer or mobile, you can use the switch. So every bed have one switch, and once the small cabinet you are seeing there also there. And now I will show you that there is the place for study. You can study there. You are seeing there's lamp, so you can use this at the night time when you want to use privacy. So if you someone is sleeping, so you can use your own lamp, and you can study there. There is the place for laptop. You can use your laptop there. You can put your books there, and you are seeing you can put the books there, and you can use the laptop. And this is the place for study, so you can use this place for study. And this is there is also this tool, so when you wash your clothes, so if you want, so you can hang on there and to dry it. So this tool is also for drying your clothes, so you can hang on your clothes here. And now I will show you that there we have the small refrigerator, so if you want, so you can use this one also. So I will show you that I don't have something these days. So there is also small refrigerator in this room, and there is also central conditional air conditional system. So this is like more heavier and more good. So the facilities are good, and you cannot when you come there, so you will not feel the problem, and everything is too good. So now you can control this central air conditioner system from this remote. And now we will come there, and you will see there are the cabinets, so these are for class, so you can keep your class there. And also upper side, there is also small cabinet, so you can use that places also. This is the main door, so when you come, so this is the main door, there are the cabinets, and there I will show you. When you come there, so there are the shower, so you can use the shower. And there is a place that you will use mirror, you can use, and there is toilet also. So this is the place for shower, and this is um, you can use, like there is also toilet and something like this. And when you come there, so this is our room. I will show you in the wider side. You are seeing that this kind of room when you come on main door, so you are seeing this kind of room we have. And when you come there, so there is a big window, and you can see outside from this place. So you are seeing that outside is like this. So in another video I will try to show my all dormitory places. So every there are 4 blocks, and every block is have 7th floor. So this is outside, and you can see the view from there, and you can use the window from there. So this was my dormitory, this was my room, sorry. And this was my smart room tour that I gave you, because of some of our friends said that you have to show your room. So this was my room. You are seeing 3 beds, and there is a refrigerator, there is a air conditioning system, and the room are so clean. You are seeing everything is like good, employers are good, and the facilities are top level. So don't worry about everything when you come here. So you will not feel like outside, you will feel like you are home. Hope guys you enjoyed this video, and this video was so informational for you guys. I just gave the small tour that what we have in our room. So this is my room. You are seeing there is man gate, and 3 wheels are there. But now we are living in every room. There is one student because of these lockdown and problems. So friends, hope you enjoyed this video and you take information in this video. If this video was informational for you guys, so please subscribe my channel and support me, and press the bell icon that I will when I upload the new video, so you will get notification of all my videos. And if you want to, so share this video with your friends, and hope you will success in Turkish scholarship, and you will come there and you will enjoy these places also. So this was short video that I gave information about my room, that which facilities we have there. So see you in another video. Have a good time and goodbye.